Hey guys, welcome back to my Infinite Painter tutorial. Today we'll draw this lovely evening background. I hope you like it. Use the gradient tool first for the sky, and add the highlighted color on it. Then use this brush for the cloud texture. It's a default brush, you'll find it in the legacy category. Create a new layer and change it to overlay, and add more texture using same colors. Now, select more saturated color like this one. Now, our background layer is complete. Create a layer, and enable the line tool, then draw multiple electric pole on it. Tap here to create a duplicate. Draw the bottom side of the pole broader than the tip. Erase the tip to make it flat. Create a layer on the top and draw some wires attached to the poles. Tap on this option to select this layer, then here to create a duplicate layer. Again tap here to create more duplicates. Merge all the duplicates. Now, draw small details on these poles, like insulator, transformer, and most importantly wires, a lot of them. I'll fast forward this, because it'll take quite a while to draw them. Draw some thin wires as well, wrapped around the thick ones, make them messy. Draw the wires in different directions too. After you're done adding details, create one more layer on the top, and enable the rectangle tool. We'll draw some houses. Just draw boxes of different sizes, then we'll add small detail on them too. We'll draw a small hill right here. Use the smudge tool for the grass. Now, add details to these houses. Just trying to make these houses look more three-dimensional. Using the rectangle tool here for the balconies. Erase the extra parts. Add some small poles around the houses. Add details on them also. Remember to draw thinner wires on them as it's more far away than last ones. At last, draw flocks of birds flying in the evening sky. Now, just use the selection tool and create a duplicate. Tap here for duplicates, and here to flip them. That's it, it's done. Thanks for watching. If it helped, then like the video, and subscribe for more videos like this. You can also follow me on Instagram, links in the description.